It was a routine traffic stop until they checked the trunk.
Hello, sir. I'm Officer Murphy of Moline. The reason why I'm stopping you is you swerved into oncoming lanes a couple times. You're kind of swerving in between different lanes.
I ain't mean to do that.
Okay. And then, like, when you turned that corner, like, you almost clipped me because you came into, like, my lane.
I saw you.
Yeah. Do you have a driver's license, proof of
Nah,
insurance?
I don't get it. I live up the street. My insurance and all that shit. It's in my other bag. I live up the street, though. Every police officer out know me.
Okay.
I don't get my registration. I got my insurance, though.
Okay. You have your insurance?
Yeah, I ain't from out here. You see, I'm using my map as I'm going on.
Okay.
I'm going to fuck with a bitch.
Okay, I got you.
I'm going to fuck with a bitch or whatever.
Where are you from?
Chicago. I've been down here like 5-6 months.
Would you mind just rolling this back window? Your tint's just so dark, I can't see it.
Motherfucker dark as hell.
Yeah.
So what I got to raise it down for you for?
I just want to make sure there's no one in the back
yeah,
seat.
ain't nobody
That's all.
back there.
No big deal. Okay. You said you don't have your driver's license on you?
Nah, I got him though. I'm valid though.
What's your first name?
Randy. R-A-N-D-Y. I'm trying to find this shit for you, man. I got you. 1 second.
All right, Mr. Can you step out for me?
For what?
We're gonna have a conversation out here about the open container.
For what?
Okay, because there's an open container in your car. Okay, so I'm telling you, step out. All right, I'll pat you down, make sure you have no weapons.
That's cool. That's cool.
Okay.
That's cool. All right, straight.
What's this in your pocket?
I don't know. Let me see.
Can I reach in there and grab it?
No, let me see first.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna let you reach in there. Just keep your hands up, man. Is it just the keys? I can't tell what it
Probably,
is. It's a hard
yeah.
object.
It's probably some keys.
Okay, can I just pull it in and make sure that
Hey,
it's
go
just
do
the
your
keys,
thing.
but there's no
Do your
knives
thing.
or anything?
Nah, I ain't got no problem.
That's a nice whip, man.
You want to drive it? Drive it.
So fast. All right, hey, so since there's an open container, it's going to give me probable cause to search your car for other open containers.
You do your thing.
Okay.
I don't know about that car. Hey, could I put my shit in my pocket without y'all?
Yep, you're good.
It's peaceful. Hey, don't do that, man. How you doing that?
What?
How you do that?
What do you mean? How did I pop it?
Shit. I've been out here like 9 months.
That's kind of a cool pop, though. I'm not going to lie.
I've been out here like 9 months. It is peaceful. It is. Take my time doing
Have you ever been arrested before?
a million times, man.
For what?
Probably weed, goofy ass, miscellaneous ass, shit like that.
Do you have a FOID card?
Nah, I don't.
Okay. Tell you what, right now I'm just going to detain you.
For what?
The gun in the back. Okay?
No gun now.
There is. Okay, we'll figure all of it out here in a second, okay? End of the day, I'm not trying to take you to jail.
Boss man.
Okay, I just gotta figure everything out. We'll talk about some stuff, okay?
Let's
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. Stop. Get to the ground. Don't try to take off running, dude.
I'm not gonna run on
You just tried to!
Stop! Alright, let me up, man.
No!
I'm done. Alright, whatever. Let me up, bro.
Slow down.
I'm fine, bro.
There's a gun in the back. You tried running.
Okay. Stop.
Why'd you try to run, dude? That's just dumb. You check. There's something in the pants pocket. We can send them over first.
There's a 20 or something over there. Alright, taking my shoes off? You want to take them off?
We're okay right now. I'll come talk to you in a second, okay?
Alright.
Murph, are you on here for felonies?
Nothing in there. This feels like it's loaded. Can you grab me another bag? Oh, boys. Oh, boys. We might have just hit the jackpot, baby. Ooh.
There's a whole lot of something back there.
Oh, wow. That's a ton of coke.
You
guys, there's so much, you can smell the coke, it's that strong.
He's also drunk and probably high on at least weed, but I mean, dude has at least a half a pound of coke and a couple hundred rounds of ammunition, a drum. There's a Glock gun case, but no Glock.
He was messing around back there a lot. Back at the squad? Yeah.
Y'all put this seatbelt on me for me, huh?
We got to, man.
That's goofy. That's why I shouldn't even been cool with y'all ass, man.
Randy was arrested for possession with intent to deliver unlawful possession of a weapon, armed habitual criminal, and resisting arrest. He was given no bond. Detective Lawrence interviewed Randy, and he took ownership of everything.
You gonna step out for me, boss?
Why is his handcuffs up front?
Why'd you move your handcuffs up front?
Why is your pants undone?
Come on,
Stop.
don't
do it!
Man, what the f you gonna do, man?
What's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you? Being cool with you.
Nah, you want to be cool with me, s***.
We're having a nice conversation. After the pool.
You done?
No.
Oh, shut the f up. You done? Stop pushing me, man.
Get in.
Randy, just have a seat, bud.
Alright, stop pushing me, man, bro. Don't ever f push me, bro.
Just have a seat, man.
What's wrong with you, man?
Just have a seat.
Can you please have a seat for us?
I will, sir.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
Don't do all that goofy ass shit. You must be a rookie, man. You're a goofy ass, man.
Can you put your feet in for me?
I ain't got no problem with it, bro.
All right, I appreciate it.
You must be a rookie or something, man. Get your goofy ass out of here, man.
All right. Right now, we're just gonna take you to the police department where you're gonna be interviewed by a detective, okay?
Will I be able to see the judge tomorrow or nah?
Yeah,
You know what time?
I don't.
When they give me a phone call and
Yeah, when we get there, you'll get some phone calls.
I appreciate it, man.
Hang on, I gotta take the seatbelt off of you.
Sorry, y'all. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Stuck?
Yeah.
All right, take a couple steps forward.
Why'd you do that? So bend
So,
down.
so try to.
Yeah.
Pull him. Wait. Go. Wait. No. I ain't gonna work like that.
He got himself stuck trying to slip his cuffs in the front
I
again.
go in there. Take this shit off me, man.
Bro, you're going like that now.
Alright, take this shit off me.
Okay, that's now over. How did you do this?
Take this shit off me, man.
We can't take it off.
Alright, well, I'm gonna be sitting here. It's gonna be a fucking sitter. I don't know what the fuck it is. I'm gonna make your day a hard day like mine is. Y'all lucky y'all coming with that shit. Well, I'll never call slipping.
Stand up. You can't get to us. Well, you sit down right there.
I got it. You got it,
Take
son.
one of them off.
I got 2 sets of cuffs on me.
Yeah, grab the other one, remember?
Dude, if you get stupid, man, you're gonna end up getting hurt.
Man, if I get stupid, your mama gonna get hurt. What's wrong with you, man? You lucky you caught me.
All right.
Just front cup.
Yeah, I ain't on no goof ass shit, man. Wow, shit.
Upstairs. So you know this room's video and audio recording.
You slide your shoes off for now.
Alright, slide shit off. Take my shit off. Take them off.
Alright, sit down, I'll take them off.
You're not taking shit off me, man.
Slide the shoes off. Just slide the shoes off.
Stop. Be cool. Nobody's trying to get you actually, man.
No.
What is it you
I talk to you, big dog. Get the f out of my face.
Take the shoes off.
I'm telling you no. I talk to you, please.
What's the problem with the shoes?
Bro, get out of my face, man.
He's not
You
anything.
guys check the shoes? Okay, you gotta take the shoes off.
I'm gonna talk to
We
him.
have to check your shoes
I'm
before
gonna talk to him.
Then talk to me. I'm right here.
I'm gonna catch another charge
Look
with
at
you,
me.
bro. I'm telling you, I'm gonna knock your ass straight out, bro.
Look at me.
I
I'm right
promise
here.
you I am.
I am right here.
Whatever, besides.
I have to check your shoes.
I let you take
Okay.
my shit.
All right, have a seat, bro. Okay.
I should knock your ass out.
No? No, you shouldn't have.
That's not the guy on the street you're talking. That's a totally different guy. The other guy is still.
6 bags of cocaine, totaling 361 grams, $3,100 cash in the evidence locker, 241 rounds of handgun ammunition for 3 different handguns, plus 18 rifle rounds, 7 Glock magazines, and a high-capacity drum magazine for an AR-15. Under Illinois law, possession of cocaine at this quantity is a Class X felony, carrying 15 to 60 years in state prison. The armed habitual criminal charge runs consecutive, not concurrent. These sentences stack, and Randy told the detective everything. What started as a lane swerve became an open container. The open container became a probable cause. Search. The search became a gun. The gun became 361 grams of cocaine. One bad decision does not stay one bad decision. It just keeps going until someone opens the trunk. As for Officer Murphy, we give him an A. He stated probable cause on camera, correctly kept the stop calm long enough to do his job, and escalated only when the gun made it necessary. That is exactly how this is supposed to work. As for Randy, the cocaine, the guns, the ammo, the drum mag, the suspended license, the open beer, and the admission to the detective. There is only one grade that fits for more real police encounters and legal breakdowns. Don't forget to subscribe and join the channel for exclusive content.